honk, you guys go like this.
Honk it!
No.
Honk it! Honk it! Honk it! Woo!
Mr. Williams, too.
Did you see me?
Truck, I think.
We gotta make someone honk. Hey, don't turn. Hater.
Yeah, we should go. There's a car coming.
I'm all obnoxious when a car comes. Honk it!
Especially when they have
We
the
gotta
windows
make them
down.
honk. It's like, honk it! Honk it!
Yeah, go like this. Push it.
Honk!
Push it real good. Oh my god, that's
Honk it! Honk it!
It goes.
Oh my.
I know.
Whoa.
Straight. Hydraulic. Yeah.
Woo. I can't get up. I hit my butt on something.
I don't know. We're out.
Aaron. Good thing you didn't say the left. Blah, blah, blah. That scared the crap. There's a car. I can hear it. We should, like, stand up there. Honk it! Honk it! We gotta make him honk.
Okay. No.
Car. You gotta make him honk. Honk it. Honk it! Honk it! Honk! 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 Oh, you suck.
If I go in reverse, I would have to go.
Taking a video.
No, I need some how to drive. No,
Another car!
back seat. I'm not sitting in the back.
Hey, buddy. This car likes it. There's another car over there! Woo! Hey! Honk the horn! Honk the horn! Honk the... No, you suck! Honk the horn!
We should make a
Honk the
sign.
horn!
Guys,
You suck!
we should make a sign that says waves for wisdom.